Hello guys, I wanna share the programming of Omron 9.4 version and open the software of Omron and then new file and set the name of the program start stop and then set the device type. The device of CPU is CPE1E, yan, yung E40 and then okay and then create the program start stop, yan, 0.00 the input of Omron, yan. And then 0.01 the start, yan. Then coil or motor is 100.00 motor, and then the auxiliary latch is motor auxiliary yung contact, and then we have CPU, uh, online communication, yan. Yes, and then download the program, and then yes, we have a file from PLC, from laptop going to PLC, yan. Download the program, yes, and then for testing the start stop program, yan. IO00 input 00 point, yan, 0.00. Okay, click the start, then see the program is okay, yeah. Output 100.00. Okay, the program is function. You see, save the program. Yan, subscribe my YouTube channel to more follow my PLC program to how to create or other program. Check my YouTube account. Thank you very much.